Welcome to the video. Today we are visiting Cranes Mill Park COE in Canyon Lake, Texas, and it is our shakedown run with Rito Rockwood. So if you're interested in seeing that, stick around for the video. It is coming right up. Cranes Mill Park is located in the southwest corner of Canyon Lake, which is about 1 hour outside of both San Antonio and Austin, Texas. The sites are all water view, and there are a total of 30 RV sites with water and electric. They have a boat ramp, and they also have a fishing pier. And additionally, they have walking paths that are maintained by the Boy Scouts of America. So if you plan on taking your puppers for walks along the walking path, please make sure you pick up after them and help the Boy Scouts in maintaining those paths for everyone to utilize. Now, we love the price of the COE. It was pet friendly, the sites were spacious, but it wasn't full hookup, the sites were not level, and there's no beach access for swimming.
But there was one that was going that way too.
I know, that was the other one that was talking about.
First impressions of Cranes Mill Park.
Empty and nice.
Empty because we just had a winter storm in Texas, but that made for a very nice
Prolific winter storm 2021.
So Cranes Mill Park has electric and water, no sewer, but there is a dump station. It was $30 a night. And as you can see, there's not a whole lot of people here. The bathhouse is back there and it's open. It is lovely out here. So the bathhouse was open and it was in great repair. It was very clean. There was pretty good water pressure from the sinks. I didn't see any soap available. All of the restroom stalls were fully stocked with toilet paper. There were 2 showers available, one regular one and one ADA accessible. So that's a great thing that was available to all patrons. It was exceptionally clean. I'm not sure if it was because it was the winter and it wasn't very busy. But we'll be back for July 4th, so we'll give you an update at that time. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe for additional content. See you in the next video.